welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make paper kandil. So for making that we will need a rectangular sheet of 26.4 centimeter and 14.3 centimeter, red sheet of 24.2 centimeter and 18.5 centimeter, a glue, 6 dark pink shades of 7 centimeter square, scale, 6 pink sheets shaded of 7 centimeter square, a pencil, 3 decorative tapes if you want. So let's begin. So first we will take the sheet. You can take any color, any of your favorite color. Here I have taken red, and now we have to just make it in circle form. We will take the glue and stick it with it. We will just stick it like this. See. And now we will take the six sheets, square sheets, and now see like this. We will take 2 edges and we will just fold them and stick together like this. See like this. And now we will do for this also. We have to do all of them. So now we will take the glue and apply it and just stick it. Now we have to do all of this 6 also and this 5 also. One is here. So now let's do. So now I have made this 6 like I showed you. Now we will take our scale and we will just mark a little. See, now I will just show you how. So it is going to be like this. So I will just mark it with the pencil. Now scale. So now here I have drawn the line. Now we have to do like this here, the same. So now first we will take red color. Now we will take red color decorating tape, and now we will just stick it on the boundary. See, I'll show you how. And now we will just take scissors and cut this. See now, and now we will do same here. And now we will take the tape and stick it here and here too. So now you can see I have stick the tape, and now we will take glue and just stick it like this one by one. I'll show you how. See now, like this, and now then we will take this light pink. So now like this we have to continue doing all of these. So now we will take a green decorating tape, and now we will make first we will cut a square. See now we will cut the edges. So now we will just stick it like this. See now we will stick it like this, and now we have to do all of these with this green tape. So now you can see I have stick it like this. So now we will take the sheet and just fold it with the size of this circle. Okay, so now we will take our gum and just mark it how much we want. So first I will stick it. So now you can see I have just stick it, and now we will put it inside this. So first we have to put some glue here. We will not put more glue. So now you can see I've put glue, and now we will just put it inside this. So see now it has gone inside, and we will just take our hand and put it inside and press it. So you can see now it is looking something like this. So now we will take our scissors and now cut like in strips. I'll show you how. See, like this, some thin strips. So now you can see I have just made the strips, and so now we will take a strip, a line, and we just have to make the handle like this. We just have to stick it. So now let's stick. So now we are done with our paper kandil. So if you like this kandil, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to everyone so that your friends will know how to make paper kandil at home during this lockdown. And till the time, bye bye. Thank you.